What is up, guys? Today we have a brand new video and we are going to talk about face in ice exercise. So first, when I started doing this exercise, I was well informed about this exercise, but it's really different when you actually do it. So it basically it closes your pores. It's such a great thing if you want to have a clear looking skin. It's like, shining skin. It's this is like the I never had better looking skin than I do now. I'm gonna link the video that is similar to this one that also talks about diet and how dairy affects your uh, skin or face skin and how it makes it look, how it creates acne and everything. I'm going to link that you can see right here in the upper right corner. So let's start. I'm going to show you how to do this properly so you can do it straight away after watching this video if you are at home. So this is how I do it. So consistency is key, and I have been doing this for over a week now, and I started doing this because I really had my skin always sometimes created red spots and acne, that also comes from my diet. But you can try doing just this for a week, and it's going to help you. You can try it out and let me know how in comments how it works. So what you want to do, so you take some kind of a container, right? And for some reason the water in my bedroom is colder, right, on the shower. It's colder than in my kitchen for some reason. So I go to my bedroom and I turn on the shower to the coldest, right? And then I fill up that tiny container, and then I put that container on my desk right in front of me. And you will see, if you touch it with your hand, it will be pretty cold, but it's not cold enough. It's called facing ice, not facing cold water, right? And basically, I take the ice from my freezer and I put, like, I don't know, like 20 to 25 ice cubes like in there. And and then I mix it up a little bit with my hand, and you will see your hand will get cold. That's great. I will highly recommend you to check out Wim Hof for dealing with cold, because it's so amazing. The cold has changed my level energy, my skin, and it really helped me to silence my thoughts in my head. But this is not the topic of this video, so I'm going to back. So when you have that tiny container in front of you and it's filled with ice, right? So you take, I usually take about 5 breaths, through my mouth, and I go to my stomach and to my chest, like, and I let it go. And I do that about 5 times, and then I just let my breathing return to normal, and then I just, after few seconds after I finished with breathing exercises, I go like, and I hold it, and then that's the time when I put my face in my eyes. And you will realize it's really freaking cold in the beginning, right? It's like your face hurts so much, and I will promise you that that pain does go away. I went from being 5 seconds in that freezing cold water to about 15 or 17 seconds, right? I think 17 is my record. And I do about, like, I would recommend you to do between 5 and 15 seconds, like, right? And when you do the round one, and when you put your face out of the ice and it starts to get, you will have this really unusual feeling in your face. It will, like, cold, warm. It's so I can't explain it with words. You just gotta try it out. It's really refreshing. Yeah, that's what it feels like. It's refreshing, right? And so after you did the round one, just I would pause for about 30 to 40 seconds, right? and just, you know, breathe regularly, like through the nose and exhaling. And preparing for round 2. So again, it's the same for round 1. Take 5, you can take 5 to 10 like breaths, deep breaths. Because when you do this type of breathing, like you go, I usually do it through my mouth, and then I push the air to my stomach and the chest, like what this does, it alkalizes your blood, as Wim Hof says, and it prepares you. That's the type of state, or that's the type of body. It's the alkalinity is ready for the cold. It's easier to get through the cold, right? That's how Wim Hof explains it. And after you did 5 to 10 breaths, just then for a second stop, breathe through your nose 5 times, and then hold. So inhale and hold, and go straight. Put your face in the container, and make sure you put a good amount of your face in that container, so it covers everything from your forehead to your chin. And that's for round number 2. And then again, wait for about 30 to 40 seconds between rounds. And then for the final round, again, just take 5 deep breaths, and you can again let your breathing kind of return, and then take 1 and hold, and go into the icy water. And you may experience the first round maybe will be 8 seconds, maybe the second round will be 10 seconds, and maybe the third round will be, you may experience that every round you will get more, and you may experience that every round you will get less. I kind of get mix of both sometimes. Like first round is usually like my highest. I go like for 15 seconds or 17, right? 17 is my record. So second is about, so first is 15 to 17, second round is about 10 to 15 seconds, and the third round is again almost the same as the second round, right? But I think it's a little bit less. So for me it goes like down with each round. I can hold my face in the water less than I did in the first round. So after you've done these exercises, I do it 3 times. It literally takes you no longer than 3 or 4 minutes to do this all together, to fill the container ice. And when you're done with ice, just put water in the ice, put it in a freezer, so you are ready for tomorrow to do the same. And one more thing, and you will experience that your face will be really cold. You know, that's kind of logical, right? And you will see that with each day you will be able to hold more on the first round. You will be able to be in the ice longer. And I would recommend you to do this every day. I'm not a doctor, I just do this for myself, and it works. And I think it's okay to do this every day. I have been doing this, I don't know, for about 2 weeks, I think. And just be consistent, right? And yeah, that I would like to finish this video here. So let's just recap. So you have 3 rounds. You can do 2 rounds if you feel uncomfortable at first. Maybe you can do even 1. Like I just like to do 3. So first round, 5 deep inhales, and then hold for 5 to 15 seconds facing ice. And it's pretty much just keep the gap between the rounds about 30 to 40 seconds. That's how I do it. It worked for me. And I am always telling you what works for me, and just check it out if it works for you, right? And I already did a video with explaining how to have really nice face skin, right? By eliminating dairy products. I will again link that video. It will be in the upper right corner, and you can check it out and see how it works for you. And I'm going to finish this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a like if you find it useful, and please share it with somebody that would benefit from this video, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you have any questions about this exercise, or you have any video idea that you would like to see on this channel, please let me know down in the comments. I will respond to you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.